Wagwan Yaman. So guys, today I have a very interesting story. So I'm going to show you a video of SaintFloew address an issue of Samanyanga sounds. I know one nyadza vaitaura vanhu vane zvavaitaura pane vamwe vaitonyepa vamwe vaisa matitle enhema mama video so that they get views about this issue, but in today's video I'll show you SaintFloew achipedza nyaya yeSamanyanga sounds kuti what's going on. Pane zvakambotaurwa kuti naulitempti kana uchida kupisa SaintFloew uya kuSamanyanga sounds. So SaintFloew abva ataura panyaya iyi kuti anofunge nezvakataurwa na Olitent and anofunge about Samanyanga sound. So without wasting much of your time, watch this video.
It's like, for you to actually grow as big as you should, you need to come back to Samanyanga sounds. Or you guys cool?
I don't know. I mean, for me, I was cool. I was cool. You know, people got a lot to say about some people and or about some things and what they see. So for me, I wasn't fighting with it. And I was like, okay. If you think so, that's nice, but then let me try to do it my way.
So you never responded to him and that tweet that
I never responded. I didn't see any way of me just responding to that, to just somebody who was suggesting whatever they suggesting.
Yeah man, that was it guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Kuti mkomana anyatsodarika piki yaari izvezvi amufana noSamanyanga here kana kuti ende paakasvika paakasvitswa neSamanyanga here kana kuti. Man, tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video guys. Ciao.